So this is my volcano, and I made it out of cardboard paper, and then I painted it with some paint. It's like, to give the texture of it, I like put some pieces of cardboard and tissue paper on top of that to make it look like it's crumbled. So now I have poured the vinegar, baking soda, so I'm just gonna pour a little more. Okay, so now I have my vinegar and a syringe, and I've added a little bit of color to baking soda so that when I add it, it looks like lava. So here you go. So that's your volcano. I'm gonna keep on adding a little more. So now I'm gonna add more baking soda. So we're going again, and here you go.
Keep putting. Put more.
So that was my volcano. Hope you liked it.